Okay, so today we make saltfish and cabbage. Very healthy. Here I have some saltfish that I've sea salted myself with sea salts. You basically buy the fillet of fish and you salt it. Alright, so we've got two red peppers right there, two large red peppers. So we're going to prepare them now. Literally just gonna cut them in half, remove the seeds. As you can see there, just remove all the seeds, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna slice that up. Okay, so that's two large peppers getting prepared and sliced. Alright, as we work through that. Now, saltfish and cabbage is a Jamaican dish. You can have that with rice, with green banana, with any carbohydrate, or even have it by itself. So what I've done is I've washed the actual saltfish, so you have to wash the salt off, you have to boil it. So the fish is literally part cooked. We're going to go ahead and we're going to prepare one onion. So I'm just slicing the onion up now, and then we're going to go ahead and cut the actual fish up. So as I said, the fish is washed, and to remove all the excess salt, and we're just preparing the actual saltfish. So you can use any fish you want for this. Alright, so that's basically getting prepared right now. Now we're going to transfer that into our preheated pan. So just get that all in the actual pan, and we're just going to add some olive oil to this, so you guys will see. Just a second there, just make sure I get everything off the actual board. Alright, now we go ahead and we're going to add some olive oil. Get that camera in focus there. You literally want probably about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and just give that a good fry off. So we're literally just frying off some of the seasoning and the fish in the olive oil. That's great stuff. Now you want to cover and steam cook. So I've gone ahead and added some shredded cabbage, which I actually froze. Just adding that to the pan now. And that's looking good. Just cover this, and every so often you just go in and stir the cabbage into the actual saltfish and seasoning that we've got there. And that is it, as simple as that. You can serve it with rice or on its own. It's delicious either way. Catch you in the next one. Beautiful dish. Alrighty, great stuff.